So with the winter tires off and the summer tires on, time to do some cleaning. The other day I actually took this to the car wash to get it cleaned up. I made a nice little montage. Cue that now. Wasn't too bad. Anyways, now we are going to clean the interior and the engine bay of the car. I'm not going to do like a huge, beautiful clean today, just something to make it a bit more tolerable. So I'm going to start with the back and work my way to the front. To the trunk. Alrighty, so what I have planned is to just literally take everything out of the trunk, vacuum it, and kind of just get it nicely reorganized. If you're actually curious for an in-depth look as to what I keep in my trunk along with in the cab of my car, feel free to check a video out in the description called The Junk That I Keep in My Trunk. I detailed everything that I keep in there. The only additions are this ice melt and that snow shovel. The only reason I have those is for work. Along with this fantastic trunk organizer. These came in the P71s and the P7Bs for the police. But they never came in the civilian models, and a guy on Kijiji was selling them for $10. So I couldn't turn that down. Oh, steel wheels are heavy. Now while I'm in here and have the spare tire out, I'm going to check the tire pressure. You should probably do the same thing. No one ever thinks to check the spare tire pressure, because no one ever has to use the spare tire, right? Until you do. Then you don't have it. Or then you do have it and it's flat. I have a feeling that this one might be. Pretty flat, yep. So I should get that aired up one of these days. Next time I think about it. Or I mean, immediately. Alrighty, seems like that's everything. Sweet. So it's by no means perfect, but it's a whole heck of a lot better than it was. And that's all I really care about. Throw this back in the trunk. Oh, I forgot to vacuum this. I wonder if I can just... No, we need to vacuum. And that is the trunk done. Now on to the back seat. This can just go up here. Alrighty, now I'm going to switch you places. You're going to go here, I'm going to go over there, and I'm going to clean up just the last little bit over there. Be right over. Or I guess you'll be over here. Nah. Blanket, sweater, and the case of water. Alrighty, before I get to cleaning the rest of the interior of the car, I'm going to clean off the mats first, because then I can let them dry, and then put them back in the car. So let's get started with that. Alrighty, I'm gonna go get some new water, leave these to dry, and we'll move on to the front seat. Alrighty, so after a quick little lunch break, I am back to work. The floor mats are still drying. I'm just gonna clean up the interior, they're the front, and then we're gonna move on to the engine bay. go in and grab a toothbrush. That was actually a good idea. Yeah. Righty, cleaning life hack. Use an old toothbrush to get into spots that you wouldn't be able to with a cloth. Alrighty, well that's about all for the interior. I'm gonna go put the mats in, put everything back in that I would normally have in here, and then we will work our way to the front. Alrighty, so if you are thinking, holy crap, that engine bay is filthy, I know. In my ownership thus far, I haven't gotten a chance to clean it, so today we are going to change that. I will grab the bucket of water, and we'll start cleaning. Again, I'm not going to go completely overboard. I just want to make it look better, right? Alrighty, so now what I'm going to do is just going to go through and clean up any kind of shiny pieces like my headlights, any chrome, and all the windows. So I'll take you along for that too. Alrighty, well that's about going to do it for today. I have cleaned the car back to front, on the interior at least, and done a little bit of shining here and there. Anyways, that's about all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have a good one.